where is something like top, bottom, and content. This every design is like really the similar. Some naming of the screen, some galleries, some containers, and some buttons. So this is every time I'm just starting to use, and it's great for the beginning. And if you do not know how to prepare this prefixes, so it's still the same easy for every user, because the plugin has some functionality to generate prefixes. So if I just create a new screen again, so then and create some like labels for that one, doesn't matter. And as you see here, the label does not existing any prefix. So if I just select the screen and generate the prefix, then a prefixes was generated automatically. So this is another help how to start to play with your designs.
So did you say you there? I know in Figma there's the community. Do you have any pages that others can look for inspiration for designs?
Yeah. If I can just show it. So this is, and it's, I've created this Power Apps UI cooker and cooker 2. So when you just open this, you can easily check some, I would say, that great components which you can start to use in your applications. And when you just select something, you can easily see how this will look like in Power Apps, and how to what is inside, what is consist of, how to prepare in Power Apps some structure, and the same. The second part is how to design it in Figma. So this just will help you what is inside, what is you have to create in Figma, what kind of properties you have to set up, what is everything is in detail set here, and you can just check every component from the beginning if you are not familiar with the Figma.
Okay, that's
By the
fantastic.
way, since I'm more of a guy that likes to connect to each other, is there some kind of community help somewhere,
I didn't understand the last
or
sentence
some
because
kind of
you're very,
if there is some kind of community help, community or something that you
yeah.
can connect and talk to each other?
Yeah, exactly. So I've already started, if I can just share it, I've already started the Discord, where is design
The
kit,
best tool.
and you can easily put a question, you can put a bug, you can get some ideas how to improve it. So here is also some tip and tricks, show and tell. So everything is in one place, and mostly I have
Awesome.
close to 100 people in this community, so it's starting to be great.
Yeah.
Awesome.
And
Thank you.